Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Jill, aka Mario, aka GMG Jill, back here with another video. Sorry if y'all hearing any noise, my son watching TV. My phone, my member requested Jublockshotta hurricane season. Let's see, it's true. I never heard this nigga. But I did hear niggas talking about him in the music, like politicking. I did hear niggas politicking about him in the music. But I don't think I ever heard an actual song from the nigga Jublockshotta himself. Interesting enough.
Yeah, if niggas want, we come through with Drake and shake that. Yeah. If niggas want, we come through with Drake and shake that bitch like an earthquake. Yeah, Hurricane Katrina. If the J's come, nobody safe. Yeah, hop out and leave some on they block. Shells dropping in my peripheral. Yeah, I seen a human hit the flow. I try to finish dude. Every time I got that button on me, I feel invincible. Ain't white flag and shit on me, BK. Get it too, yeah. The I got that button on me, I feel invincible. Ain't white flag and shit on me, BK. I try to finish dude. Them on they block. Shells dropping in my peripheral. Yeah, I seen a human hit the flow. I try to finish dude.
But he said shells dropping on my peripheral. I seen a human drop. I'm trying to finish dude. Oh no. Oh no.
Got that button on me, I feel invincible.
Got that button on me, I feel invincible. If that ain't the truth, nigga ain't never said a real lyric ever.
Ain't white flag and shit on me, BK. Homies get it too, yeah. Demonic thoughts in my head, I can't help it. Bitch, I talk on jewelry. Broke bitch said I'm selfish. Realism. Mr. Break the square.
Yo, I know some nigga named EBK back though, but like, do all EBK niggas just come back though? Like, do all EBK niggas just hate their homies organically out the gate?
Bitch, you won't sell it, yeah. But in the meantime, I just stepped up in my mirror jeans, yeah. We gon' real quacky in the grabber. Fuck a Zimmy league, yeah. On Damu, it's fuck 3 in my mirror jeans, yeah. We gon' real quacky in the grabber. Fuck a Zimmy league, yeah. On Damu, it's fuck 3s. I smoke niggas who get high powered, ain't nothing bigger than a G. Walk up and tape it off. We left shells on that street, yeah. Bitch, you gon' die for trying to play with us. Days, that last victim shook back. Got me mad as fuck. Jeez, I'm pushing through a little milli, trying to grab us.
Is he talking about Wante?
That last victim shook back, got me mad as fuck. Jeez, I'm pushing through a little milli, trying to grab us something. Yeah, so keep that bitch on you, cause if I see you, I'ma smoke you. Be white talk when we get on shit. If niggas want, we had come through with Drake and shake that bitch like an earthquake. Yeah, Hurricane Katrina. If the J's come, nobody safe. Yeah, hop out and leave some on they block. Shells dropping in my peripheral. Yeah, I seen a human hit the flow. I try to finish dude. Every time I got that button on me, I feel invincible. Ain't white flag and shit on me, BK. Homies get it too, yeah. Demonic thoughts in my head, I can't help it.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that beat was so fire too. Yeah, that bitch was hard. For the first time hearing, bro, that was more than decent. I just realized I never switched to this. I'm gonna just edit the screen in during the reaction, but shout out my COBs, you feel me? Shout out to the niggas. Shout out to COB, shout out to membership. We getting it, at least it's getting it in the outro release, you know? With that being said, chat, I'm gonna see y'all next one.